Hello and welcome to this video. Today, I'm going to guide you through how to use AWeber for beginners. It's actually pretty easy to get started even if you've never used an email marketing platform before. So first, go to the AWeber website and click on Create Account to complete the sign-up process. Once you've logged in, you'll see your main dashboard. This is where all your email campaigns, subscribers, and analytics are managed. AWeber is one of the most popular email marketing tools out there. It helps businesses build and manage their email lists, create newsletters, and track how well their emails perform. Let's start by creating your first message. Go to the Messages tab and select Draft a Message. You can choose from hundreds of pre-designed templates or start from scratch using the drag-and-drop editor. Customize your text, images, and layout, and once your email is ready, just select your recipients and either send it right away or schedule it for later. Next, if you want to set up automated emails, head to the Campaigns tab and click Create a Campaign. AWeber's Visual Builder makes it easy to design your email sequence. You can choose when each email is sent, add triggers like signups or clicks, and let the system run it automatically. Now let's talk about managing your subscribers. Go to the Subscribers tab to view, add, or remove contacts. You can create multiple lists or even segment your audience based on interests or behavior. Tagging your subscribers helps you keep everything organized and send more personalized messages. You can also create beautiful landing pages directly inside AWeber. Go to the Landing Pages tab, click Create a Landing Page, and choose a template. Then just drag and drop your content, images, and brand elements. Once it's ready, publish it and share the link to start collecting leads. Finally, AWeber integrates with tons of other tools like Shopify, WordPress, and PayPal. To connect them, go to the Integrations tab and select the platform you want. Follow the prompts to link your accounts, and AWeber will automatically sync data, for example, adding new customers to your email list instantly. And that's it. You've just learned the basics of using AWeber. From creating messages and campaigns to managing subscribers and landing pages, everything is designed to make your email marketing easier and more effective. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get started with AWeber confidently.